They certainly are.
Right now, Big Thunder Spirit is part of the YMCA Adventure Princess program. It's a chance for fathers and their elementary school-age daughters to share some magical adventures together. The group organizes a monthly get-together that includes camping trips, horse riding and surf camps, and many other fantastic adventures. Participants graduate after grade 5, so they're always looking for new members. The girls make lots of new friends, and dads make a lifetime of memories. So join today. And moms, you get a weekend to yourself.
Yes, they do. Well, I just joined yesterday. My daughter is going to be part of this fall's Adventure Princess program, and I'm very excited that she can participate in that. And what a wonderful thing that the YMCA offers, and it is a great bonding opportunity for dads and daughters to get out.
Giving us a cheer for the Big Thunder Spirit Expedition.
And you can see the different circles of tribes within that, located within the Big Thunder Expedition, listed on that banner. So a large contingency there represented within the Big Thunder. There you see the Panthers and the Bengals and a whole host of others. They go horseback riding and surfing, and they go cruising together. They do camping, and what a wonderful opportunity again to get out there with Dad. And they get enough time with Dad as it is, but this is special quality time. And as you said, Mom gets a weekend home alone. That's kind of nice.
What could be better than that? And here we have AYSO Soccer Region 85. And this